Okay, everybody, here is the key to the Google pre-quiz. Here we go. First question is a balancing question. If we look at this, it looks like we have 2 oxygens here to only 1 oxygen there. So if we put a 2 there, our oxygens now are 2 and 2, but the sodiums are out, so we need to put a 4 there. So it goes 4, 1, 2. That's what you're going to put into the Google form. It's really tough to put that in Google Forms. So that's why we're going to have like a document, and then you're going to put your answers into Google Form. Kind of like we're going to use Google Form like a Scantron. Okay, next question. A little bit further down. Awesome. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. I see how this is. Let's weaken technology. Second question is another balancing one. Second question is another balancing question. So what numbers go in the blanks? Well, okay, if we take a look at this, our chlorines are not equal. And do you guys remember the Uno reverse? We can move the 3 over here to make 6, and we can move the 2 over here to make 6, because 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6. That means our aluminums are not balanced, so I need to put a 2 over there. So it goes 2, 3, 2. Okay. All right, next one is a balancing question. I don't know if you guys found this one to be a little bit tough, but it goes, if we look, we have 2 nitrogens there. Only 1 there, 2, and then that makes 2 times 2, 2. So it goes 1, 2, and 2. All right. Next question. Now this is a mole ratio question. It says how many moles of tin are made from 4 moles of chromium? So if we write 4 mole chromium here, and it's asking for tin, that's our question mark. This is our required, this is our given. And we always use required over given to solve any problem with moles. So we go 4 times 3, which is 12, divided by 4, which is 3. So the correct answer is 3. That's what you would put into the Google Doc, the Google form. Okay, question number 5. Question 5 is another mole question. How many moles of SnF4 are used to make 5 moles of chromium? So we've got 5 moles here, okay? And it's asking us for moles tin fluoride, question mark, right there. That means this is our required, that's our given. We go 5 times required over given, 3 over 4. 5 times 3 divided by 4 is 3.75. That's why in the Google form it said 3 digits. 3.75. Okay, now the toughest question. This is a tough one because it's a mole to mass question. So if we're looking at this problem, it's saying what mass of CrF3, question mark, grams, is made from 3 moles of SnF4. Okay, so this is a little tougher. We can't just use mole ratio and be done with it. But we're going to have to in our first step. Find the moles of CrF3. This is our required, that's our given. We're going to go 3 times 4 over 3, and that will give us how many moles there is. Now, that gives us 4 moles. We're not done yet. We're going to be using that number in a second. Now, the second step is because we're solving for mass, we need the molar mass of CrF3. That's like saying we have 1 chromium and 3 fluorides. And we have to add up all of their molar masses from the periodic table. Chromium has a molar mass of 52, and fluorine has a molar mass of 19. So if we add all of that up on our calculator, we get, whoa, I pressed the wrong button. We get a molar mass of 109. And molar mass is in grams per mole. Okay, that's the molar mass. The 1 chromium, 52. Chromium is 52. Oh, I've lost my place here. Chromium is 52, and we're going to go 19 times 3. Yep, just double checking that it is 109. That's the next number we're going to use. Then we're going to use our mass is equal to number of moles times molar mass formula. Number of moles times molar mass, 4 times 109, and that will give us our final answer of 436. Okay.